Menteri badai pe yakatnar boarding ka jilla u James Sangma haba juba be jing kili bala pen sngo do nong mikmat ka maulai haka jing ya tai hayeng dor ba thau anyu laong ba shimla te be ka dor jung smart meter na kiwe ki jaka Henry Ulong ba ka dor jung smart meter hajilla Meghalaya ulong lai hajar south pa tengka bula ong ru ba ka jing pentrei kam unu smart meter kan khambon chiki thain nongkyndong.
Let me assure him, sir, I don't know the exact price of these meters, but these meters are in the tune or in the range, I'm not very sure, but 3,400, which is, if you look at it, sir, very justified. So if he says that it is around 3,000 is also an average that he's taking, but in many states it could be more than 3,500 also. But here in our state, sir, as per this, today the rate of these smart meters is around 3,400. So it is not as what is being made out to be, sir. Sir, then Honorable Member from Meghalaya had also mentioned about the fact that the installation should be in other parts, not in Shillong. So let me assure him, sir, that the installation of the smart meters has been, the selection of the feeders and the selection of the zones has been on the basis of the losses being incurred in the AT&C, sir. So the aggregate technical and commercial losses, wherever it is found to be high, and if you look at the figures, sir, these are mostly in the rural areas. This is where the focus and the thrust of the implementation of the smart meters is happening, sir. That is where it will take place, sir. And the suggestion is something that we are totally in agreement with him, and we are doing that in that manner only, sir.